Hi guys, today I'll be showing you one of the most amazing document organizer and file manager apps for iOS and iPadOS called UPDF. This app is here. So this app's design is very minimalistic, but there are a number of features that this app can do. For example, you can import all of the iOS supported formats into this app, and there are 3 different methods that you can do that. First, you can import directly from the photo app. So just click on plus sign here, click on photos, then select the file that you want to add into the app. Click on add, and it pop up right here. You can view the file from here. Second, you can also import files from Files app. So again, just click on plus sign, click on Files app. If you go directly into Files app, and as you know, in Files app, it's a place where you can import from various sources like your iOS internal memory, from the iCloud, or even Google Drive. If you take a look at the top here, this is the iCloud drive. You can go all the way back. I can select on my iPhone, Google Drive, or even iCloud. If I choose on my iPhone here, and then select some files there, I'll select another one. So you can add as many documents or files as you want to. Again, it supports as long as your iOS system support that format. The app also support. Like this one, the extension is PPTX. It is the Microsoft PowerPoint file. And again, you can add from various sources. If you go to the Files app, you can even import from the Google Drive. This one, it will require the authentication to open Google Drive, and then you can access file from there. Or just iCloud. Whatever files you have on iCloud, you can also do that. But it's gonna take some time to download it off iCloud. Let's say I choose to import this music. And of course it will start downloading before it can import. It will take a while. It depends on your internet as well. Okay, see, it's done there. And the third method of importing files into this app is here. If you click on the plus sign, you can see the word computer. You can import from your computer. But this method requires Wi-Fi connection because this method is a wireless method. So both your iOS device and your computer have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. And you can see the IP address here. And I noticed that if I type this, sometimes it doesn't work. But if I click on this icon next to the IP address, if I click on that, and I send it directly to my iMac that I'm using right now, it will send the address to it and it automatically open on my iMac. So as you can see on my iMac screen, that is actually the storage inside my UPDF app. So whatever I drag onto this, it will also go here. But they say here, you can see the instruction down here, they say do not leave this page or lock screen while transferring files. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So you have to leave this on like this if you want to transfer. And you just click on upload files and find whatever files you have. Let's say I have all of these, I want to upload them. Select them here, click choose for upload. It will start uploading. Just wait for it. And it's done. All the files there. Once you're done, you can of course click on the quit or the cross icon here to quit it. And now all the files are here. It's really cool. Another cool feature of this app is that you can also scan any document to PDF file, and this app offers you 2 ways to do that. First, you can just select the documents that you have already taken the photos of in the Photos app and then convert those photographed documents into one PDF file. Let me show you how to do that. Click on plus sign again, but this time instead of clicking on photos or files or computer, you click on scan. And then you want to click on this one, looks like Photos app. Click on it. If you go into Photo app, and you can select whatever photograph document that you have taken from somewhere and you want to combine them together, just select them together. And you click on Add at the top here. Click on Add. You start adding, and you can see here. So down here they say 2, which means you add 2 files at the moment. Click on it. You can even view it first. You can even crop it first if you want crop it. You can even rotate it or add another file to it. It's up to you, or even put some filters on it to change to like black and white, something like that. And once you're done, at the top right there you can see it looks like a download icon where you can download it, or actually converting it into PDF file. Click on it, and it's right here. Now you can see 2 documents become one single PDF file here. Really useful. Another method to scan is just go to the plus sign here, click on scan again, but this time instead of clicking on the Photos app, you click on the button to take photo, which means you scan directly from any document that you own or that you have. So let's say I have this document here. So at the top here you can see that there are some settings that you can configure first before you can start taking photo. You can change the capture from auto to manual, or just keep it auto like that. And you can even turn on the flashlight, leave it on like that. Make sure you align it correctly. Once you detect it correctly, it will start taking photo. So you can see there that it has just taken a photo. If you find auto capture kind of annoying because you need to make sure that you keep your phone still, not moving it. Once it detects that the phone is still and it kind of detect the whole document, it will start capturing. But if you don't like that, you can even change it to manual so that you can just take it immediately, like so. But I would recommend you to let it detect by itself, because if it detects by itself, it means the document would look better. It would detect the whole document, not like what I take at the moment. Like some part is kind of missing here. And this one, you see, this is taken automatically. It looks full screen here, but this one is taken by me. You see, some part of it is not actually correct. It's missing. So I mean, this one you can just delete it. We keep this one and click the same thing on the download icon, and it's done here. You can see. And because this document is kind of like laminated with plastic, so that's why it's kind of reflecting with the light I'm having in my room. But if your document is like a paper, it won't reflect the light like that, and the picture quality will be much better. Okay, last but not least, with this app here, all your stored files and documents within the app here will be secure, because it also has a feature that allows you to place these photos or files or documents into a secure location called security space, which can only be opened with a Face ID or Touch ID or a passcode. So to get to the security space, at the top here, you can see it look like a crown there. Click on it. The reason why it look like a crown, because I haven't upgraded to its pro version yet. That's why it showed me that crown. But once you upgrade it to the pro version, it won't show you the crown. It will show you the settings or something. So here you can see these are settings that you can go through. Here, the security space, you click on it. You see it scan my face and allow it to open. If you're using a Touch ID, like a Touch ID device, it will ask you to scan your fingerprint. But because I'm using a phone with Face ID, it just scanned my face and opened this. You can see right now it's blank. I can even add it. Click on plus sign right here, and then I can add directly from here, or I can just go back. So you can see the files here. If you want to move it to the security space, under each of the file you will see 3 dots here. Click on that. It will show you some more options like rename, move, copy, duplicate, delete, share. You can even compress it, but let's say we move to secure space. If we go to secure space here, you see there's a file there. Let's move some more files here. So if you want to move multiple files, click on more here, click on move into secure space, and it's done. But one thing you need to remember is that the secure space here, it is limited for trial version. If you click on upgrade here to the pro version, they say the trial version can only store up to 10 items. If you want to store unlimited files inside the security space, you need to upgrade it to the pro version. For the pro version, you can have the secure app access, unlimited use security space, no page limit on scanning. So for scanning at the moment, if you use the trial version, you can only scan up to 5 pages. But if you use the pro version, there's no limit for scanning. And you can see here there are different options that you can choose. You can choose the annual subscription. So this one will cost $9.99 per year. Or you can just pay it for 3 months, $4.99. Or they have a special offer for you to pay like permanently. It's just $19.99. Just choose one of these options. If you try the trial version and you decided that you like this app, you should subscribe the pro version so that you can use all the cool features here. Okay, that's it guys. This is UPDF file, a very useful document organizer and file manager app for your iOS devices. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.